Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Hangout. There are certain punctuation marks in English language that can be used for different things. Yes, the apostrophe is the perfect example. So my dear children, in this video we are going to learn about the apostrophe and how to use it correctly. Okay, so let's start. Children, do you like baseball? In baseball, many teams have a person called a utility player. This player isn't assigned to just one position, but is skilled enough to play in different locations or position on the field. Utility players are a big help because a coach can put them wherever the team needs. Like utility players, apostrophes are used in different parts of English language. An apostrophe is a type of punctuation mark that looks like a floating comma. Children, can you pick out the apostrophe from this picture? Can you spot the apostrophe? Which one is the apostrophe? If you said letter C, then you are exactly right. Now that you know how apostrophe looks like, let's learn in detail how to use them. Apostrophes and contractions. Has your class ever had a substitute teacher? A substitute teacher is not your regular teacher, but he or she is doing the same job and not taking the class up on its suggestions to have all day recess. Yes, so same way, an apostrophe is like a substitute teacher when it's used in a contraction. Now you must be thinking, what is contraction? Don't worry, I'll tell you. A contraction is where two words are combined together to make one word. Certain letters are removed from the words and replaced by an apostrophe. The apostrophe becomes a substitute for the missing letters. Clear, children? Here are some common contractions and what they mean. Okay? So here words like I am. So contraction or where we have to put here apostrophe is I apostrophe am. So here A is missing. Clear? Then he is. Contraction will be he apostrophe S. She is. Apostrophe will be she apostrophe S. It is. It will be it apostrophe S. It's. So words like I am will be I'm. He will be his. She is will be she's. It is will be its. Understood the pronunciation? Now let's move further. Words like you are. Then contraction will be you apostrophe re. So pronunciation will be your. Or we also can say you are. No differences in the pronunciation. We are. So contraction we apostrophe re. They are. They apostrophe re. Okay, next is I have. So here what we have to do is we have to write I apostrophe and last two letters, that is ve. I have. You have. Same, we have to write U spelling and apostrophe and ve. We have. Here also we have to write apostrophe ve. They have. They apostrophe ve. Let's move further. the words like do not, did not, does not. Yes, so here how we can write the contraction? Don't means D-O-N apostrophe T. Don't. Didn't. Did N apostrophe T. Doesn't. Does N apostrophe T. Okay. Then next, had not, have not, has not. Then how we can write the contraction? Had N apostrophe T. Hadn't. Haven't. Hasn't. Clear? Next, could not. So, same how we wrote don't, did not, hadn't, haven't. Same we have to write for could not. Okay. So, could spelling N apostrophe T. So, it will become couldn't. Should not, shouldn't. Would not, wouldn't. Is not, isn't. Next is I will. Contraction will be I apostrophe double L. I'll. You will. You'll. She will. She'll. He will. He'll. They will. They'll. We will. Clear? So children, what is apostrophe? Apostrophe is used for showing ownership or position. Sometimes we use the shortened form of certain words instead of their full forms. For example, we use don't, his, and so on. The apostrophe up comma is used to make these words. The apostrophe is also used to show ownership or position. For example, this is Rohan's car. Here we are talking about a car that belongs to Rohan. Okay, so we have to write apostrophe S. Now, when the noun is in the singular form, the possessive case is formed by adding an apostrophe and S to the noun. Okay, so for example, boy's toy, cat's tail, teacher's book. Okay, next, however, when the noun is plural, the possessive case is formed by adding an apostrophe after the plural. Okay, so here, whenever there is plural noun, we have to add apostrophe after the plural word. Like, for example, men's clothes, boys' shoes, teacher's meeting, parents' room. Now let's acknowledge more about it by answering few questions. First one, write the words that shows the proper placement of the apostrophe. Is not. How we can write? Is and apostrophe T. Second, are not. We have to write are and apostrophe T. They have. So we have to write they apostrophe VE. I am. So we have to write I apostrophe am. She is. We have to write she apostrophe s. Second question. Rewrite the following sentence after adding the apostrophe, that is comma, and s to show the position. First one, Ravi boat was easy to row. So answer will be Ravi's. Here we have to add apostrophe s. Ravi's boat was easy to row. The boy room is always very tidy. Your answer, the boy's room is always very tidy. Next is, the mayor built a children park. So answer, the mayor built a children's park. Here in the word children we have to add apostrophe s. Next is, the bird nest was on the comfortable place. Here also bird is in a singular form. So we have to add apostrophe s. So answer will be, the bird's nest was on the comfortable place. Next is, everyone was looking for Alia pencil. Now here Alia is a singular noun. So we have to add apostrophe s. So answer will be, everyone was looking for Alia's pencil. Next is, Ram was wearing Ramesh's shirt. So here Ramesh is only one. Yes, so we have to add here apostrophe s. So Ram was wearing Ramesh's shirt. Clear, children? So children, I hope you must have understood the concept of what is apostrophe and how to use it in sentence. So keep practicing and learning. Till then, thank you and goodbye.